my name is Cliff. I work with Youth with a Mission Perth here, specifically on the development team. And we raise finances to see God's vision happen right here at YWAM Perth. Right now we're redeveloping property. We're working on our front door property at 9 Robertson Street. And God has provided so much finance already, but there's still a lot more to come.
And so we put on a base fundraising event called the Mini Olympics, where there was sports events and games set around our premise on our base as well. We had kids events down the road and at the Oval across the street. And for every event, we had people had to make a gold coin donation, so $1, $2, whatever they felt led to give to participate in that game. So we had events such as volleyball tournament, basketball 3-on-3 tournament. We had a coaster bus pull, where our big orange buses, people grabbed rope and pulled the coaster bus as far as they could. We had mud wrestling. We got 3 big boxes of chocolate cake mix, and we dumped it on a tarp, and people just jumped in and did some mud wrestling and chocolate cake mix. We had a dunk tank, really fun. Lots of people got up there and had a great time getting wet in the dunk tank. As well, we had Nando's restaurant come out. For the day, they set up their Nando's tent and handed out chicken skewers all afternoon, which were delicious. And they even brought a chicken mascot that we had bouncing from event to event, hanging out with the kids. And the chicken even did the endurance challenge. It was really impressive to see the chicken get active and do the events as well. It was just a wonderful day. Everybody got involved. People were watching and cheering. We handed out many trophies at the end of the day. People were recognized for their competitiveness, their accomplishments, and really it was just a time for all of us as YWAM Perth to be in faith, staff, students, families, for what God is doing here in YWAM Perth and how He's providing. So thank you, and stay tuned for the next base fundraising event.